You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you.
Bacolod represents.
I'll
Bacolod
be
represents
your
Ate Uy.
best friend.
Thank
I'll be
you. Oy,
your
Kim, ano na? Sorry. Kim. Oh, lami ni, di ba?
Whenever you need me,
Kain tayo ng chicken inasal. Ay,
I'll be
Ange.
by your
JP.
side.
Lauren.
I love you
Ay, Kim.
more and more
Oy, may Kim kami
each
dito.
day.
Grabe siya.
I love you
Ay,
more
grabe
and
talaga.
more and
Ayoko
more,
na. Ayoko na umuwi ng
more
Cebu.
than
Ay,
I
yan
can
na.
say.
Kain mo na kami mga be. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ang daming chika. Chika
You're
tayo.
my
Chika tayo.
sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true.
Okay,
There's
panindigan mo
no
itong si Ange.
mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I
Hindi na kami ng Cebu.
thank
Bye-bye.
you for
Bye, Bacolod.
being you.
Bacolod. Sarap mong mahalin.
Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark and sad world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love